Having goals creates clarity, provides motivation, and focus. What are your goals? Making progress towards your goals gives you a sense of anticipation. Achieving goals, you experience fulfillment and satisfaction. What are the goals in therapy? On a macro level, the ultimate goal of therapy is to make therapy no longer necessary by effectively addressing the issues that brought you to therapy. In other words, therapy strives to eliminate suffering, remove barriers to growth, and restore full functioning in every area of life. On a meso level, the aim is to help clients achieve their goals. On a micro level, therapists will assess, diagnose, and treat known mental health disorders utilizing evidence based, research supported treatment plans and techniques. Therapists will teach the client healthy coping strategies to manage symptoms, promote self awareness, help develop stress management, and problem solving skills. If you feel anxious or depressed, struggle in relationships, experience emotional pain, feel hopeless or worthless, a competent and empathetic therapist can help.